Yo guys, it's me Gameboy600 back at it again, and today we are talking about this video. So yeah, this thing's uploading tomorrow at this time, but it's for you, it's probably already uploaded like 3 days ago. But yeah. If you want to see how many times I changed the thumbnail. So we have this. This was one of the first ideas for the thumbnail. We have this, and then I changed, and I had this picture taken of me, but I have zero Riz, so when I tried to mash them together, they looked extremely bad. I can't pull up the file. I'll just show you the file, okay. Photopea. And yeah, so if you see right here, this was my original idea, and I have zero Riz, so I look literally so disgusting and distracting. But yeah, my Minecraft character looks better than me. So yeah, so that's what I ended up doing. I also asked my friends which thumbnail was the best. They picked this one. So let me just give you. I could just show you all the. This was one of the ideas for it. I actually had also a lot of different things working with this. We have this, from this to this. Yeah, I did a bunch of camera stuff with it or whatever in Photopea, but yeah. Yeah, look at this where it looked. But yeah. And we also have a bunch of different designs I was planning for this thing. And I kinda was hoping that this would have made it. But yeah, it didn't. This actually looks so good though. I don't know what, but for some reason it just changed color. I don't know what caused that, but it changed color. But yeah. So oh yeah, it was because I connected it to a color ramp and not yeah. Okay, well this I really wish I kept it like this. But this made it look much more stunning than whatever the hell this is. Like this looks better. Just admit it. This looks way better. But yeah, I really should have kept it like this. But yeah, I'm just like showing you the stages. And these are some of the pictures of work in progresses of the thing. And I also have some of the other thumbnails right here. Okay, to upload. So look at the difference. So we have this one. Wait, hold on. So we have this, one of the thumbnails. These two were one of my first ideas for the thumbnail, but man, it just looks bad. And we have this, which I don't know why, but I made it turn it into glass, re-rendered it, and then we have this. This is the time when I turned on the subsurf, and then I turned on a tiny emission side of it, and this is where I turned on transparency. And yeah, the one that's down here, this is the fully edited version, which has like denoising on it. I really should have, if this was purple and had that same font and looked the same as the other one, I think this would have looked way better. Might have had a chance of becoming the final thumbnail, but compared to this, yeah, it's not a choice. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Yeah, okay, goodbye.